Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Vizio Remote is probably one of the most essential gadgets in your entertainment setup, but with so many universal remotes on the market, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the Vizio Universal Remote, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the perfect clicker for your needs. We'll cover everything from setup to everyday use, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Universal TV Remote for Samsung, LG, Vizio, and more. Do you have a coffee table covered in remotes? This universal remote is designed to simplify your life. It replaces multiple remotes, giving you back control. This remote works with a wide range of TV brands, including Samsung, LG, Vizio, Sony, and many more. It also works with DVD players and streaming devices. Setting up the remote is simple. Just follow the easy steps in the included manual. You'll be enjoying it in minutes. The package includes the remote, a user manual, and a code list. You'll need 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. Please note that this remote is not compatible with certain devices like Roku streaming sticks or soundbars. If you have any questions, our customer service is here to help. We value your experience. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours on weekdays. We are here to help you. What we like. This universal remote is compatible with a vast range of TV brands, making it a great choice if you have multiple TVs or are unsure of your TV's brand. Setting up is easy, so you can quickly get back to enjoying your shows. If you have a multi-brand setup or frequently upgrade your devices, this remote is a versatile and convenient option. What people say. Worked out of the box, very easy to set up and connect. The remote has all the essential buttons you'd expect, including volume control, mute, home, and channel buttons, and it responds quickly with no lag, making it very user-friendly. This remote connected so easily, no need to pair or anything, just pop in batteries and start using, and looks almost exactly the same as my original. Number 4. Philips SRP3249B27 Universal Remote. This universal remote can operate up to 3 devices, including your TV, Blu-ray player, and soundbar. It simplifies your entertainment setup by consolidating multiple remotes into one. The remote is compatible with all major brands and supports thousands of audio and video devices. Please note that it is not for use with radio frequency devices. The TV and STR device buttons are pre-programmed for immediate use with Samsung TVs and Roku streaming media boxes. However, it is not compatible with Roku streaming sticks. Setting up is easy. Just add 2 AAA batteries, and you can enjoy automatic code search and direct code entry programming. It also features primary audio control. The remote features a brushed electric blue finish and a compact design. It adds a splash of color to your decor while fitting comfortably in your hand. What we like. This remote can control up to 3 devices, perfect for streamlining your entertainment setup. It's pre-programmed for Samsung TVs and Roku, offering instant functionality. If you like a clean, uncluttered entertainment center and own Samsung or Roku devices, this remote is a great choice. What people say. You can adjust the volume from it and any of the TV settings that you need to. Works great. The programming directions are clear and concise. This is the only remote I found that works on my Roku player and my JVC TV. Number 3. Vizio XRT136 Smart TV Remote Control Replacement. This remote is designed to work with a wide range of Vizio smart TVs. It's compatible with V, M, D, P, PX, and E series models. This means it can replace your old remote perfectly. Forget about complicated setups. This remote is ready to use right away. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and it's good to go. Enjoy instant access to your favorite apps with the 6 shortcut buttons. This feature makes it easier and faster to navigate your smart TV. It's all about convenience. Experience a quick and reliable response with the infrared technology. The remote offers a strong signal for multi-angle control up to 40 feet away. The response time is incredibly fast, less than 0.1 second. We stand behind our product with a 100-day warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us directly. We will respond within 12 hours. What we like. This remote is specifically designed for Vizio Smart TVs, ensuring seamless compatibility. It works right out of the box, saving you time and hassle. If you're a Vizio Smart TV owner who values simplicity and quick access to your favorite apps, this remote is the perfect match. What people say. My old TV remote had to be put out to pasture, and this universal remote does a great job of filling its void, like a newly adopted puppy. Very easy to use and set up. Very lightweight as well. It's easy to grip for virtually any hand. Great product. It worked immediately, no configuring or linking it up to my TV. Only the buttons I need, and easy to use in the dark by feel. Works perfect with my 32 Samsung Smart TV, no programming needed. Number 2. Universal Vizio TV Remote Control. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote is designed to work with all Vizio Smart TVs. It's the perfect replacement for your old or broken remote. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Vizio TV models, including D, E, M, and P series. It also works with various other Vizio models. You can easily control your TV with this remote. It replaces a variety of Vizio remote control models. This means you can replace your old remote with this one. It offers a seamless experience. No programming or setup is required. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to go. It's that simple to start using this remote. Get yours today and enjoy effortless control of your Vizio TV. This remote is the perfect solution for a simplified entertainment experience. Get yours now. What we like. This remote is compatible with all Vizio TV models, ensuring broad coverage. It requires no programming or setup, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you own a Vizio TV and want a hassle-free replacement, this remote is the ideal solution. What people say. The remote is easy to set up and use. It works perfectly with my Vizio TV and other devices. The buttons are well placed and easy to press. Number 1. Vizio Universal Remote, 99% Vizio LED LCD TVs. Introducing the Universal Remote Control, designed for almost all Vizio TVs. It's a convenient replacement for your old remote, offering seamless control over your entertainment system. This remote is ready to use right away. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Vizio models, including E370VP, E320VT, E370VT, E420VT, and many more. It also works with XRT series remotes. You can easily control your TV with this universal remote. Forget about complicated setups. This remote works right out of the box, with no programming required. Simply install 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and it's ready to go. It is compatible with various Vizio Smart TV remote control models, such as XRT270, XRT260, XRT40, and more. It offers a simple and effective solution for controlling your TV. This remote is a great choice. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day warranty. If you encounter any issues, you're covered. This remote is a reliable and convenient solution for your Vizio TV. What we like. This remote works with almost all Vizio TVs, providing wide compatibility. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring no setup. If you need a simple, reliable replacement for your Vizio TV remote, this is a great choice, backed by a 30-day warranty for peace of mind. What people say. It works well with my TV, DVD player, and even the sound system, so I no longer need to juggle multiple remotes. The setup was fairly simple, and the buttons are clearly labeled and easy to press. The remote worked perfectly with the TV. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.